Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are going to make Vegetable Agebitashi, deep-fried vegetables marinated in a soy sauce-based sauce. It is a great side dish by itself or on the side of cold noodles. These are the ingredients. You can use any kinds of vegetables you like. Mentsu is a soy sauce-based all-purpose sauce often used for dipping noodles. Check out our homemade mentsu recipe, or you can buy a bottled sauce at Asian food market or online stores. First, we prep the vegetables. Slice kabocha into 1/4-inch thick pieces. You can leave the skin on. Cut an eggplant into halves vertically. On the skin side, make shallow diagonal cuts on the surface. Then cut into 2-inch long pieces, like that. Remove the seeds from the red bell pepper and cut into 1/2-inch wide strips. Cut the end off of the green beans and cut okra vertically into halves. Mix mentsu and water in a large container at least 2-inch deep and set aside. Heat frying oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and deep fry vegetables. Cook one kind of vegetable at a time as the cooking time varies. Kabocha needs about 2 minutes until softens. Once cooked, place them in the sauce mixture directly after removing from the oil. And we do the same for other vegetables. Cook eggplant for about a minute, depending on the size, and remove from the oil and dip them in a sauce. And we cook green beans. It takes about less than a minute for green beans to cook. And we do the same for red bell peppers. It takes 30 seconds to cook red bell peppers in the oil, and the same for okra. And dip all the vegetable in the sauce and refrigerate for 2 hours. The flavor of the sauce is absorbed into the vegetables. Even though it is deep fried, there is not a greasy feel. Serve chilled or at room temperature with or without noodles. This is a great way to eat more vegetables.
美味しいね。